How to fix keyboard disappeared in Moto G17 power. First of all, set as default keyboard. Open setting. Now in settings scroll down. Click on system. Scroll down. Click on keyboard. Click on one screen keyboard and turn on this button. After turning on this button, set default keyboard from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down. Open quick setting panel and click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear cache of keyboard. Again open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search keyboard app. Now click on keyboard app, scroll down, click on storage, add cache, and now here you will see clear cache. Now click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, keyboard will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device settings, and again click on reset device setting. All settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keyboard disappeared in Moto G17 power. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.